Presenting our latest interior project, designed with precision and elegance. Every furniture piece crafted in our own factory. We used high-quality laminate modular work to bring a modern and sleek look. Perfect balance of style and durability. From wardrobe to study units, every furniture detail was custom-made with care, ensuring perfect fitting for the space. Our focus is not just on design, but also on flawless finishing, including seamless edges that define true craftsmanship. This project is a reflection of our promise: factory-made perfection, on-site excellence, and timeless interiors.